Because you have too much to tell it.
Yeah, but I hope
So much to tell in so little time.
Yes, of course, but I hope I will not bore the people with my stories.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So we have very special guest all the way from Switzerland, and he has paddled through different countries and has come from China to Pakistan. So we are going to ask him about his experience briefly. So Olivier, welcome to Pakistan and thanks for joining us. So how was your experience while being in Pakistan?
First, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much to be here. My experience in Pakistan was amazing. I really had a lot of expectations of this country that I will come, and it was not very popular for many people to come. And I have to say I was quite surprised, and actually so big country, I will discover much more in a lot of time.
That's good to know. That's a pleasure for us to host you as well here. So I would also like to know, how did you find Cycle Walay, and how was your experience so far working with this company?
It was Cycling Walay. I mean, here in this company, I found it from Google, and you had a lot of good reputations, and I completely agree. You had a very good place here. You have nice equipment and helpful stuff. I have to say it's amazing to be here, and I highly recommend everyone. It's a very nice comfortable place, and I enjoy it. Really.
Perfect. So thanks a lot for joining us, and thanks for being our guest. And we would love to host you next time. Keep coming to Pakistan and keep spreading love, keep spreading good things in your circle. And since you are in Pakistan and we have our Independence Day coming as well, so this particular flag is especially being gifted to you by Cycle Walay as a gift and token of love from the people of Pakistan. Thank you very much.
Shukriya.
Shukriya.